Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the coral iPhone XR and the yellow iPhone XR here. Now I decided to pair these two up together mainly because they're kind of in the same category. Like if I was not to choose, like if I was going for a color and I wanted something different to everyone else, it would end up between these two. Because of course, I mean, a lot of people are going to get the silver, the black, the blue, and the red. Those are kind of the main colors. These are the kind of the two other colors that are not gonna get as chosen as much, I feel, but I might be wrong, of course, you never know. But here they are, and yeah, I was pleasantly surprised today by the coral color, just because I wasn't expecting it to be that nice. I do love the yellow back, however, I hate the gold border. I just really dislike how it just doesn't even match the phone. I mean, it might be just me, but the gold, just, you turn the phone on this side, it looks good. Then you turn it and then you see this really bright yellow and then you're like, it just doesn't match. It just looks like a completely different phone, or as if you stuck the back of, you know, another iPhone onto this and it was supposed to be like a gold metal back. So I have no idea why Apple went with this. It just looks straight up bad, and just because of that, I wouldn't be able to buy the yellow color here. Yeah, I just don't think they go together. But if you like it, I mean, if you like it right there, and you like how that looks with that, then I mean, you're gonna love this phone color. I'm not gonna trash talk like the phone color because I think overall it does look really nice. However, it could have easily been a really, really nice color that competed against like the silver one for me if it hadn't had that border of that color. However, I think just between these two here, what? Oh yeah, I totally forgot. This doesn't have 3D touch, so it's like a fake. Interesting. Yeah, that feels weird. I totally forgot to mention in the other videos that it doesn't have 3D touch. But yeah, so just between these two colors straight up, I would 100% go with the coral. Would use this every day, and even more so than the red and the blue. I think this matches kind of, it gives a nice, I don't know how to say it, but it's a nice mix between just going straight out on a color like the blue one and also going on a simple color like the white one. Like this is a simple color that doesn't attract too much attention, but also a very nice to look at color, and it's just gives off the really nice vibes. Like you can see it here against the blue, and yeah, I would rather have this phone than the blue, even though I wouldn't buy either, of course. I mean, that's the main point that I'm making here, is that if I were to buy a color, I would go with the silver one. But you can see those three right there. They all look really nice, like just candy shells. And of course, depending on the lighting conditions, they're all going to change and look different. But there you go. I mean, I will be making a color comparison between all of them. That way you can see all of them. I did 3 videos just comparing 2 versus 2 versus 2, just for the sake of narrowing it down and allowing you to make a simpler choice. Here, I mean, if you want my honest opinion and you are considering both of these, 100% go with the coral and forget about the yellow. I think the coral is just gonna match more cases, and I think just as a color, it's nicer overall. However, you can't really go wrong with both. Of course, all of the camera ring around here on the phones are colored to the specific phone color, which looks really nice with the aluminum. The bottoms here are also colored to the specific color. So unlike the red that have silver, this seems to have, yep, the exact same colors as the phone. And you can't really tell, but if you look really close, you can see it there. Here on the right side, we of course have the Siri, Apple Pay, and lock to our sleep and wake button. And we have the SIM card slot right there at the bottom. And on the left-hand side, ringer and volume switches. And that's pretty much it. Here you can see the screen, how it looks with the wallpapers. You can see that right there. And yeah, both look really good. Definitely, I would go with the coral. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at RMRDNL or at DarkGadgets, and I'll get back to you there. And aside from that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.